Why isn't everyone making this? Wake up, America, and the rest of the world.
Today, we're embarking on a savory journey into the heart of Filipino cuisine to explore the iconic dish known as adobo.
Filipino gang, where you guys at? Adobo, here we go.
Join me as we uncover its history, tantalize our taste buds, and sprinkle in some interesting information about this beloved Filipino classic. Adobo, with a name that sounds as delicious as it tastes, has a history as rich and flavorful as the dish itself.
Which came first, Filipino adobo or Spanish adobo?
Its origins can be traced back to the Philippines' pre-colonial era, when indigenous people preserved meat by cooking it with vinegar and salt. The Spanish later introduced garlic, bay leaves, and spices, further enhancing the dish's complexity. Over time, adobo became a symbol of Filipino resourcefulness and adaptability, with each region putting its unique twist on the recipe. Adobo isn't just limited to pork and chicken. In the Philippines, you can find various adobo versions, including snails, fish, squid, and water spinach. The word adobo comes from the Spanish term adobar, which means to marinate or to season. This reflects the key step of marinating meat in vinegar and spices. Adobo is known for its versatility. It can be enjoyed as a savory main dish, served over rice, or used as a flavorful filling for sandwiches, tacos, and more. Adobo, a dish that not only tantalizes the taste buds, but also reflects the Filipino spirit of adaptability and resourcefulness. Whether you're enjoying it at a family gathering, a local eatery, or preparing it in your own kitchen, adobo is a true Filipino culinary gem.
Hell yeah.
So the next time you're craving a taste of the Philippines, don't forget to savor a plate of this savory delight.